mumbling, babbling and wondering, but it never seemed to stop you. Consumed by gossip and the latest trends, bitching, moaning to their friends, but it seems the plague never got you. Times corpses walking around, hunting for fresh brains, trying to fit in, to make a move and fit the mood. And while they're prancing around, you're up on your throne, howling at the moon, cause you're alone. Nobody's got their eyes on you, but you never cared anyways. Alone, you never fit with any crowd, but it never mattered anyways. You watch them fight, you watch them learn, you watch them toss, you watch them grow, and watch them sitting all alone on your moonlit throne. Cause you're a lone wolf, and you never cared anyways. You never cared anyways. You hunt alone, you left your pack behind because you knew that you would find them sipping on their witch's brew. You watch the monsters all come out to play, you feel the urge to join the fray, but really should you? Cause would you really even fit in? Would they really let you join in their games or conversations? So you want to keep your distance, you don't care what you're missing, you got better things to do, cause you're alone. Nobody's got their eyes on you, but you never cared